Hello my peoples, SuitMan Review here, and today we're gonna be reviewing Mijn Brimhan. I should be in SuitMan. Why am I never in SuitMan? You suck. You don't know how to do it, man. You always, man, SuitMan Review here. Who cares, man? Why is it never like Larry Reviews here or Larry's here? You know, you always think you're better than everybody, man. I should be in that chair, you know, reviewing people. Like, man. Larry, what's these noise canceling headphones made by Sony. All right, Larry, you can bring them in. Don't you dare throw those. That's what I thought. Hey! Roll the intro! Sorry about that, guys. Larry's getting fired. Anyways, let's get on with the review. As you can see, the box is beautiful. I would kiss it, but I'm not going to. Let's take it out of the box, see what's inside. Oh, is it good? Oh snap, I almost fell. All right. Oh, easy setup. Oh, you know we don't read instructions here, guys. I'm not even gonna bother. Okay, well, right at the back, I mean, they're in this case. Oh, that's a pretty nice case. Let's see what's in the Okay, we're gonna open, let's see what's in the case. Ooh. Remember, guys, you're $400. So I'm being careful. Oh, I look nice. Is it in frame? Juan, is it in frame? Okay. All right, that look nice. We're gonna get some close-ups of the actual product now and the box. Cut the cinematic view. You can go wireless or no wireless. There's a little battery in here that I think it's a battery. Okay, take it as a charger. A little tiny thing, bro. Oh no. Yeah, I'll put my glasses on. I'm blind. SuitMan's blind. Come on, bro. Like, why don't you want to come out? Bro, what is this? It doesn't want to come out, bro. Man, whatever, man. I don't even care. You probably don't even need it. I'm done. All right, we're gonna pair these mugs up with my iPhone. Habla?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good. You gotta turn them on, bro.
Yeah. Of course, Vato.
Why do you expect it to hear to not hear us, bro?
Crazy. Man, my voice sounds so weird, bro. Like, it sounds como que estoy en un room. Like, really quiet. That's weird, bro. It sounds really weird. Hold on, we're trying to pair them up to my phone. Dang, bro, the world is really loud. You know, we didn't figure it out, so we're just gonna plug it in. Alright guys, we got it working now. We have to download an app. I forgot what it's called already, but I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. I can't even hear myself. But I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Hold on, I like this song. Y'all talk, I can't. Oh, do I gotta completely touch it? It's not doing anything. Oh, now it did. Oh, sausage. Post Malone. Full volume, guys. I'm gonna be deaf. That sounds pretty cool, like. That sounds pretty good. Alright. I think that's good. Alright guys, we already tested it out. Now let me tell you the bad news. Now there ain't no bad news about her, man. These things sound pretty cool. Like I had them on, I couldn't hear anything. I couldn't even hear myself think, bro. They were really loud. I mean, they're loud, but I mean, it's not enough loudness to hurt your ears. Like, it's pretty weird. I guess that's what happens when you get cheap headphones. Like, not these, other ones. Like, you know, your ears hurt. Not these. You can go all the way to the max, you know, and you don't feel pain. It's pretty cool. It has a cool feature that you can hold it and then you could actually hear people. Because if you don't do that, you can't hear jack, bro. This is pretty cool. And also, I was told that you can it has like a little touchpad on the, I think it's the left or the right, that you can skip the track like this. You can go up to, you know, if you want to go fly away like Iron Man. Nah, I forgot already what it was gonna do when you go up. Hey, but these are pretty cool. It has like 30 hours worth of battery, and they just found pretty cool for $300, man. I think it's worth it, you know. But you know, they ain't mine, so. SuitMan's still on the budget. But yeah, that's what I think. And yeah, y'all already know what to do. I ain't even gonna say it. SuitMan out. That's it. That was good.
Did y'all play Days Gone?
Days Gone? No.
Hey, World War Z. I love World War Z.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's kind of like Left 4 Dead, honestly, but I feel like the stuff is a little bit too short, but it's pretty good. I mean, they're gonna add.
Oh yeah, for the start.
Hey bro, I'm gonna use the restroom.
Nah, bro. See you come up.
I'll take it with me.
Yeah.
I'll take it with me. Want to break it? Want to break it? I think you're too big for it, bro.
Crazy. It went too much. No shots?
You want to restart the song?
Yeah. Put it at like 20 seconds because it takes forever.
Yeah, do it. Bye-bye.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. No, I did, but like, who would think of that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put tape on the string.
Dang, bro. Give me tape, Jimbo. I gotta tape my tie in place.
Tape? Where's it at?
I feel like I'm recording a wedding video.
Where's it at?
Oh, got that suit.
Yeah?
Recording a wedding video.
What suit?
He went to high school. He knows what's he doing.
You got it, Otto?
Yeah, I got it.
That's a troviado, Otto. Ay, vato! Vato. Okay. I can barely move, Vato, and all this. Like, okay, now, lístenme. Por favor.
Go fly my kite, babe. Baby, go fly my kite, babe.